Once upon a time, in a vibrant, colorful world of gadgets and gizmos, there lived a clever little robot named Pixel. Pixel's mission was to make science fun and exciting for kids everywhere. Pixel was not your average robot. He had a special knack for turning everyday objects into fascinating science experiments. One bright morning, Pixel rolled into a lively classroom filled with eager young students. He announced with a cheerful beat, "Today, my young scientists, we are going to learn how to light up a bulb using potatoes." The room buzzed with excitement and a bit of confusion. "But how can a potato turn on a light bulb?" asked Alex, one of the curious students, his eyes wide with wonder. "Great question, Alex," Pixel replied, his digital face lighting up. Potatoes have a special power. They can act like tiny batteries. When we use them correctly, they can make electricity that lights up a bulb. Pixel showed the kids a table filled with supplies: a couple of potatoes, some copper coins, zinc nails, wires, and a small light bulb. "First," said Pixel, "we push a copper coin and a zinc nail into each potato. The copper and zinc are like positive and negative charges in a battery." As Pixel carefully inserted the coin and nail into one of the potatoes, he explained how the chemical reactions between the metals and the juicy insides of the potato create a flow of electrical energy called a current. Next, Pixel connected wires from the copper coin of one potato to the zinc nail of the other potato. "Now, we're making a circuit," he said, winking. A circuit is just a loop through which electricity travels. The classroom was silent with anticipation as Pixel connected the final wire from the potato battery to the small light bulb. With a flicker and a spark, the bulb began to glow softly. "Wow," shouted the students. "The potatoes really did light the bulb. See? Science is amazing and can come from the most unexpected places," Pixel chimed, spinning around happily. With newfound curiosity and excitement, the students gathered around and started experimenting with their own potato circuits. Eagerly learning with Pixel's guidance, the little robot and his curious friends discovered the magic of using everyday objects to connect the dots in science. Pixel couldn't have been prouder of their glowing success, guided by their own tiny potato power stations.